area and perimeter of a rhombus from its diagonals and side length. The formula is A is equal to D1 times D2 divided by 2, or 1/2 of D1 D2. They're the same. So you need to find the diagonals here, okay? This length is 21, this length is 20. Remembering that the diagonals in a rhombus or any parallelogram will bisect, that means this is also 21 and this is also 20. So my first diagonal is 21 plus 21, which would be 42. My second diagonal is 20 plus 20, which is 40. Okay? Substitute into our formula. 42 times 40 divided by 2. 42 times 40 divided by 2 is 840. That's my area. My perimeter is the sum of all four sides. Now, this is marked as 29, so that's 29. They're all 29. So I can add 29 4 times, or I can do what multiplication was designed to do, and say that 4 times 29 equals 116, area and perimeter of a rhombus.